Hi, world historians. This is Mrs. Dixon coming to you live from my living room. Um, Wish I was with you at City High in room 3310, and I want you to know that I miss you guys immensely. Fourth hour, sixth hour, and seventh hour world history. I absolutely wish we were at school together right now. I hope you're keeping busy. I have been cooking a ton. We're going to roll out of the house when this is all over after eating so much. Cooking a ton. Um, Doing some family walks. My husband's working upstairs from home, doing conference calls constantly. Um, I put my poor son on a learning schedule, so he has to follow a city size schedule and do work from every class every day. I mean, like I said, cooking and cleaning and checking in on my mom and just trying to create a new normal for us, I guess. Um, Anyway, I hope you're staying safe and healthy. What I am here to talk to you about today is what's going to happen with world history. The district has asked that we reach out to you digitally, and that's what I'm doing now. Um, the district has provided your parents with some learning options, and those are coming to you or to them, you and them via email. And those learning opportunities are purely optional. At this time, the state of Iowa has said that we cannot grade or require any work from you, but I do want to provide you with learning opportunities that you could pursue if you would like to. And I, of course, highly recommend you do that. So, the district is giving you options for learning, but I will also be posting once a week on Canvas videos for you to watch that are related to our world history curriculum. We are on the Enlightenment and the Scientific Revolution and the Protestant Reformation right now when we get back. Well, when we left school. So I will be posting videos, maybe a digital notebook, maybe some short readings. And I guess what I'm going to do is post the link to the textbook and some textbook questions for you to answer. Um, you can always reach out to me. I'm obviously here at home. I would love to answer questions and touch base with you if you need me. So, starting tomorrow, I will be posting activities and suggestions for learning for you to do if you would like to pursue world history, which I highly recommend. I hope you're safe. Take care. Be safe and healthy, and be positive during this time. See you soon. Bye bye.